Retailers must think beyond the storefront and the browser window in order to prepare for the immersive future, which is already here. Welcome to our channel, E-commerce Know-How, and in this video, we'll see how to build e-commerce experiences for the metaverse. This time it's not just a wild dream. Many people have been skeptical of virtual reality and augmented reality in the past because, despite grand promises about what they could accomplish, they have mostly failed to deliver on the scale that the industry had hoped for. But this time is different. No, seriously. With industry leaders such as Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft pursuing a variety of different mixed reality projects, they see the opportunity and understand where the market is headed. Consumer behavior also demonstrates why retailers should take it seriously. According to a Google survey, 66% of people are interested in using AR to help them shop, and Shopify revealed that interactions with products that include 3D AR content had a 94% higher conversion rate than those that did not. Seeing is believing. It doesn't take long to notice that forward-thinking retailers are implementing immersive 3D experiences for their customers. They can explore virtual showrooms, try on items, and get a 360-degree view of something they want to buy with these experiences. Choose your platforms. Depending on what you're trying to create, adding immersive e-commerce experiences will necessitate a variety of technical skills from your team. The main distinction is that you are transitioning from a 2D to a 3D experience. VR/AR development is much more akin to creating 3D video games than it is to creating web applications. First and foremost, you must decide on the hardware for which you will construct. Are the majority of your customers using computers, smartphones, or a headset like the Oculus Quest? Each hardware category provides a unique set of capabilities for what is possible. Next, when it comes to 3D engines and frameworks on the market, some big names stand out, such as Unity, Unreal Engine, and CryEngine. The majority of these engines arose from game development. While extremely powerful, they are overkill for anyone looking to create a simple, immersive experience. Develop your content. In 3D, no one wants to read long blocks of text. Since we're talking about visual experiences, it stands to reason that the emphasis should be on creating visually appealing and interesting content. What works on a regular website is unlikely to feel natural in a 3D environment, so you must decide what visuals to create to suit the format. What kind of high-resolution images and assets do you require? Can you include videos? What about videos in 360 degrees? Will customers be able to interact with something or just look at it? You also can't overlook sound, which is an important component of immersive experiences. What music and sounds should you make in order to bring the content to life? Fine-tune your content. Not everyone will have the most up-to-date device or 5G coverage. With 3D content, the bandwidth and transmission quality requirements are much higher. A few milliseconds of latency on a typical website may go unnoticed, but in a VR/AR setting, it can make the experience laggy or unusable. Try to optimize your content so that it is as high quality as possible while remaining within a reasonable file size. If the experience begins to suffer as a result of too many assets downloading at once, it is preferable to create a more streamlined experience that maintains a high performance rate. It's also important to think about your hosting infrastructure. This shouldn't be a big deal, but it's worth noting that you'll need to add new content types to your configurations, and your CDN will need to support them as well. Publish omnichannel content. When we talk about preparing for immersive experiences, we don't just mean having people scroll through your regular website in VR. That isn't enticing to your customers. The idea is to separate some content from your website's presentation layer so you can use it in a 3D environment or any other platform you want. Apps, in-store screen displays, and so on. Traditional content management occurs in silos, making it difficult to reuse content from your website. This separation can be achieved with a traditional database, but if you want developers and content teams to collaborate, a headless CMS is more user-friendly and front-end agnostic. It serves as a central hub for shared content and can even provide a visual interface for editors and marketers. Get started today. Building 3D e-commerce experiences may appear intimidating, but as we've seen, your team most likely already possesses the necessary skills to get started and experiment with various concepts. Your customers are eager to have a positive experience and purchase from you. What you create today will be the first of many 3D experiences you create in the future for the Metaverse. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think about e-commerce in the Metaverse? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.